Hello, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Myself, Kiran. I'm a photographer. If you don't mind, can I get your pictures from Insta and YouTube, ma'am? Okay. What do you do, ma'am?
Working.
Ma'am?
Working.
You're
Yeah, I'll
working.
be posting.
I'll be posting in Insta and YouTube, ma'am. And what's your name, by the way?
Sarika.
Sarika. Okay. Let's do now. Let's. Okay, Sarika. What message you wants to give to your friends?
You tell. ನೀನು ಹೇಳು ನನ್ನ ಬದಲು.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
ಓಕೆ.